Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. I am Priya Kumari, your English teacher. Welcome to class English. Students, today I am going to teach you types of noun. But before starting our today's session, we recall our previous session. So as we know that yesterday we have discussed about noun. So can you tell me what is noun? Okay, yes, very good. Noun is the name of person, place, animals and things. Noun is the name of person, place, animals and things. I hope now you all can easily identify the noun. Right now? Right. So, our today topic is types of noun. Today topic is types of noun. So, how many noun is there? There are two types of noun. There are two types of noun. First one is common noun and second one is proper noun. So, today I will teach about common noun. So, common noun. Common means general. When we talk about a general name of a person, place, animals and things, that is common noun. Let's see the definition of common noun. It refers to a general name of a person, place, animals and things. Common noun refers to a general name of a person, place, animals and things. And we can say that when we talk about a general name of a person, place, animals or thing, that is called common noun. So, let's understand with some example. What is this beta? Very good. This is a picture of queen. This is a picture of queen. And queen is a common noun because here we are not talking about a particular queen. Here we are not talking about a particular queen. Here we are talking about a common noun. Here we are talking about a common person, and queen is a common name of a person. Queen is a common name of a person. Let's some more example like girl, boy, friend, teacher, etc. These all are common name of a person. Let's next example. This is a horse. This is a horse. So here horse is a common noun because here we are not talking about a particular horse. Here we are not talking about a particular horse. Horse refers to a general name of an animal. Horse refers to a general name of an animal. So horse is common noun. Like elephant, lion, tiger, etc. Any common name of the animal is common noun. Here example from things. This is the apple and this is the balloon. So these both are common noun. Both are common noun because here we are not talking about any particular apple or any particular balloon. Here we are talking about a common thing. Here we are talking about a general thing, and these all names are general name of these things. These all, queen is the general name of a person, horse is a general name of the animal, apple is a general name of a thing, and balloon is the general name of a thing. Any general name of a thing is the common noun. And an important thing is that common nouns are spelled with small letter. Common nouns are spelled with small letters. It is the capital letter when it is a beginning of the sentence. Look some example. This is a horse. This is a horse. So here H is the small letter. H is the small letter because horse is the last word of this sentence. Horse is the last word of this sentence. But when we write horse is red, horse is red, then H will be capital. H, why? Because horse is the starting of the sentence. Horse is the starting of the sentence. That's why H will be capital. So always remember these things. Common nouns are always spelled with small letters, and all the general name of the person, place, animals and things, that all are common noun. I hope you all would understand the common noun, and this is your homework. Write down 10 common nouns, and your second work is that write down person, place, animal, things to given words. Just like postman. So what is the postman? Postman is a person. So here you have to write category about this noun. What is tiger? If tiger is an animal, then write here animal. If train is a thing, then write here thing. And just like it, you have to do this. And your third work is underline the common noun in these given sentences. Underline the common noun in these given sentences. This is a lion. So what will be the common noun in this sentence? Underline the common noun. Bus is a blue. Bus is blue. So underline the common noun in this sentence. You have to underline the noun from this common noun from this sentence. I hope you all would understand the common noun. Till then, stay home, be safe. Thank you.